She's nervous.
Yeah.
13.
13 years old.
Oh, yeah.
Baby.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way out, but you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh,